Good morning guys, welcome back to Science Time. So today we have a snappily titled experiment called Hot Cold or Somewhere in Between. Now you often see that hot taps are red and cold taps are blue. Now they don't have a colour for a warm tap, but that's what we're going to explore today. Now you're going to need an adult to help you with this because we are going to be using hot water. Let's look at the equipment that we need. We need 2 jars or 2 glasses, the same size and with the same size width or rim. You need some red food colouring, some blue food colouring. You'll need hot water, you'll need cold water, you're going to need a piece of card, and I suggest either a bowl or a tray or something to do this over because it is going to involve water and it might get messy. Okay, if you have all the equipment, let's get on with the method. Okay, so for our method, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill one of the glasses with hot water, and then we're going to put a few drops of the red food colouring in. Now you need to make sure this water isn't boiling because you don't want to hurt yourself, it would be dangerous. We're going to fill up the cup or the glass or the jar. We're going to pop some red food colouring in, and then we're going to fill it to almost the top, so it's almost overflowing. You have to have a steady hand for this. Whoop. Job 2. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some cold water into the other glass or into the other jar, and then we're going to put some blue food colouring in. And then again, we're going to fill it to almost the top. Now this is the tricky part. We're going to put the piece of card on top of the cold water and tip it upside down. Do you remember when we did the upside down glass trick? So it's going to work in the same way. So we're going to put the piece of card on top of the cold water or the blue water. We're going to tip it upside down. And now what we're going to try and do is put the 2 glasses or the 2 jars on top of each other, but you're going to need to line them up exactly on top of each other. Otherwise it's going to be messy. And then you're going to very carefully pull the piece of card out. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think we're going to observe? Let's see. So you can see really well what would happen. If we had a warm tap, it would be this colour, purple. So why did it happen? Well, it's all to do with density. The hot water is less dense than the cold water. And when we put them together, the hot water was on the bottom and the hot water rises to the top and it mixes along the way. So the red water mixed with the blue water and it made the purple water. So what would happen if the hot water was on the top? Something to investigate. As always guys, please share on the Purple Mash blog for me what you find out, what you investigate and what you think. It's good to hear from you always. Take care guys, see you soon, bye for now.